Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check and manage your storage on Xiaomi A2 TV. To do it, click on the Set button on your remote, then go to Device Preferences, then go to About and go to Storage. Now click on Internal Shared Storage, or if you have any storage device, you can also select it here. And now you can see that apps take a certain amount of storage, photos and videos, audio, downloads and more, and you can see how much you have available. And when you go back, you can also see the total space. And to manage the space, select the category you want to manage, for example apps. Then you'll open the apps, you can click on See All Apps. And now you'll be able to select the apps that you, for example, want to uninstall. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.